Looking for the best dog clippers? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 dog clippers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Wahl Deluxe Euclip Pet Grooming Kit. Affordable and versatile. Strong motor, yet quiet enough for most pets. 7 attachment guide combs, stainless steel scissors, styling apron, blade oil, storage case, and instructional DVD included. Fuss-free home grooming for fine to medium coats. Easiest to use. Not suitable for larger breeds with heavy coats. Blades heat up after a while. At number 2. Pet Union Pet Grooming Kit. Inexpensive, yet comes with lots of extras including scissors, nail trimmers, comb guards, and more. Runs on a rechargeable battery. Low noise operation. A great option for anyone grooming a dog on a budget, thanks to the decent performance and features. Blade doesn't pass very well through dense, curly fur, and tends to dull faster than other models. At number 1. Wahl Pro Iron Lithium Cordless Pet Clipper. Fully recharges in 15 minutes. Runs for 2 hours on a single charge. Includes comprehensive grooming kit. Powerful motor. Self-sharpening blades. This dog trimmer and grooming set is a good option for trimming your dog on a budget. These dog clippers are fairly noisy. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.